So part 2 now wants us to express h in terms of t. In other words, to work through this problem and solve this differential equation, or get h equals based on what we've got here. So even if you couldn't do part 1, it doesn't stop you from doing part 2, because part 1 was a show that question. First thing we're going to do is move this dt up to the other side. So we've got h squared dh equals minus 9 over 400 pi dt. This is all just a constant. This is like having like 2 here, 2 dt. So when we integrate both sides, this will become h cubed over 3. This, as I said, is just a constant, so will become the coefficient for t. Don't forget your plus c, which we're going to have to work out. We know that initially I forgot to put my t in. Initially the height is 4.5. So when t equals 0, h equals 4.5. So if we put that in, 4.5 cubed over 3 equals c. So that's 243. So c is 243 over 8. So h cubed over 3 equals minus 9t over 400 pi plus 243 over 8. And it wants us to write h in terms of t, so we need to make h the subject. So we're going to times everything by 3. That will give me h cubed. So that will give me minus 27t over 400 pi plus 729 over 8. And therefore h is the cube root of all this. So you can write that as a cube root, or you could write it as a power of third. Minus 27t, 27t over 400 pi plus 729 over 8.